Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Excel worksheet data to PowerPoint presentation. Firstly, select all the data to make a graph. Now, pick any of the graph that was recommended. Make adjustments to the graph as you want. Now select all the data and copy it. After that, open PowerPoint and select the special paste option. Here, choose paste as a link and then click OK to keep going. Adjust the size and position of table. Then, do the same copy and paste steps again for the graph. Now, when you change values in the Excel worksheet, the PowerPoint will update it automatically. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.